Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a brand new video where today we are going to be doing something just a little bit different. We are going to be doing a muffler delete on my friend's C6 Corvette. Now, I'm not going to lie, I don't know what year it is or whatnot, but it might be the quietest Corvette I have ever heard. Typically, when you hear a Corvette, I mean, they're not like crazy loud unless obviously they've done headers or a muffler or some sort of exhaust, right? But you're like, that's a Corvette. It's got a V8. It's pretty loud, right? Not this car. This car sounds quiet. I think my 6-cylinder was louder than his Corvette right now. Stock to stock. So today's agenda includes getting sound clips of before and blah, blah, blah. So you guys kind of get an idea of what it sounds like right now, which is shit. And then you get an after of how beautiful, well, hopefully how beautiful this is going to sound after the muffler delete. We're going to try to get flybys and do all the things that I typically do for my car, but just with this Corvette. And if you guys want to see more content like this, then make sure to drop a like and subscribe. It helps out a hell of a lot more than you guys might think. And also it helps me understand whether you like these type of videos or if you want me to stick to just the sim racing and whatnot. You know what I mean? If you want me to just put the fries in the bag, I will put the fries in the But before the video starts, that needs to change. So let's change that. I'm going to catch you guys in the car and continue the video there. So like I said, that Corvette is not my car. Speaking of though, the owner of that car, who is also my roommate, has decided to, well, not wake up when it is currently 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It is 3 p.m. and bro is still sleeping. So I've come up with a solution for that. This. We're going to go wake him up. A little underwhelming. Yeah, that's quiet. That's quiet. Time to turn this baby into a beast. What was that? What was that? What was that? All right, I got good and bad news, ladies and gentlemen. Good news is we can do the muffler delete. Bad news is it's going to be tomorrow at like 9 a.m. Given the fact that this dude just woke up at 3 p.m. today, I'm going to have to probably wake him up again. But yeah, we'll get it done. Apparently the shop said, let me show you guys. They said they'll be able to still do it. The main issue is like this metal bracket here. So that's what I think is the reason why they're not doing it today. So it's going to just take a little bit more like finesse and time. So they're going to do that tomorrow. They're going to still be able to keep this, but they're just going to have to essentially get rid of the muffler. For you guys, it'll be a second. So we'll cut to that in a second. But am I basically right there? Just, it's going to take a little bit more time to do the metal plate.
Yeah, they got to go around it and shit.
Are you getting new tips?
Bend it. We don't know yet.
You don't know yet? Okay. All right, well, we'll cut to it. Yeah. And I would cut it correctly, but big man locked the fucking door. Now bro has keys. Outfit. Yeah. Oh my God. You're wearing the same outfit. No, you are wearing the same outfit. Where are you going? You're going the wrong way. It's over here, bro. All right, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I just got back from work and bro has the car ready for me. Let's see. Wait, hold up. I didn't even check the tips out. Hold up. Are these new?
I think they're the same.
Wait. Nah, I think these are new. Are these new? Idea. All right, we're gonna do, all right, this is dead ass a real reaction. All right, let's hear it. Let's hear it. Dude, wait, that actually sounds good as Hold up. We gotta check something out real quick. Oh, for fucking cold start. Are you a happy individual with this?
Uh-huh.
How much did it cost?
$250.
$250 for this?
Tipped him 20.
You tipped him? So $270? Attaboy. Ladies and gentlemen, it is the next day. I'm sorry for this video being all over the place. I'm sure you've already heard sound clips of this beast of a vehicle, but before it was really the world's quietest Corvette, and now this thing sounds actually insane. We've got it right here. Where is it at? We got it right here. And I'm gonna be getting some sound clips for you. Before we do that, make sure to drop a like and subscribe and comment if you like these types of videos or whatever type of videos you want to see. We've got other cars. I've got a Q60 I can make content out of. We've got an R32 that we can make content out of. It might actually be an R33. It's a Nissan Skyline that we can make car content out of. We've got obviously my beautiful BMW that we're always going to be making content out of. So if you're liking these videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the future. But enough yapping, let's get to the sound clips that you guys have been waiting for. I mean, guys, this thing sounds phenomenal. I mean, hit that shit. Look, bro, we got the selfie stick.
What's up, bud?
You might not be able to see, but there is a man walking in the road. So we're gonna have to wait to hit it. Hello, sir. He's waving. We'll wave back.
There's grass right there.
There's
Walking
where,
the fucking
oh
grass.
my
And
God.
there's another.
So we are probably getting the cops called on us. We've got Karen and then we've got Dave walking by.
Windshield isn't tinted, by the way. They can all see you recording.
Nah, it's fine. I don't care. Hit that shit for Karen. I mean, dude, like, that does not sound bad. It doesn't sound like crazy loud in here though.
Yeah.
But like outside, bro, like I'm not gonna lie, like video or camera won't do any justice, but like this thing sounds like ridiculously loud outside. Yeah, here, let me, you know what? No cuts, bruh. Let's just, well, actually, Josh, you're probably gonna cut this, actually. Let me out the fucking door! Hit that shit! While we're waiting for bro to spin the block and get me some sound clips, make sure to subscribe, make sure to comment on the video, make sure to like, do all the fun things, make sure to stick around because these videos aren't going anywhere. But I see him coming down the hill right now, so let's get another sound clip. Guys, I can hear him coming right now. Come on. Let's see if he'll hit that shit. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Dude, that thing sounds fucking crazy. I think he was trying to do a burnout. Hold up. You gotta turn traction control off, buddy. Holy shit. Left some serious skid marks. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the video. For you guys, it's been just a couple seconds. For me, it's been, I think, about 2 weeks since I filmed that last clip of, I believe, yeah, it was a burnout. Homie smoked the shit out of those tires. But essentially, right after that, this lady said she was going to call the cops on us, so we just dipped. I mean, as you guys could tell, like, we were literally by cornfields, like, on a country road. And I could see a mile down this way and a mile down that way. So it's not like we were being stupid and going over blind hills and like endangering anyone but I guess ourselves. And even then we weren't endangering ourselves. There were some homes nearby, but I mean, it was like 3 p.m. So like, and like the car's loud, okay? Like, don't get me wrong. Like the phone does no justice. Like I just picked these mics up today, which means that like video and car content and all that, that was filmed on my iPhone, like microphone. So while the picture might look good, the sound sounds like shit. So your boy upgraded, by the way. But anyways, getting back to the point, it's not that loud of a car. Like, I mean, it's a loud V8, but so I don't know what she was calling about. I mean, we were not going crazy fast. I mean, fast, but you know what I mean? So, and we were there for all of about 10 minutes. So, apologies to whoever we may have insulted, but you're not watching this shit. So, whatever. But whoever is watching this right now, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. These are going absolutely nowhere. We still got a lot more car content to make on my car, which if you don't know is a BMW. It's an F10 N55 if you know that engine. So make sure to check those videos out. I do sim racing, so if you enjoy that type of content, check that out. I've got my TikTok, Instagram, all that stuff below. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and peace.
Она была такой всегда, она выглядит как деньги у нее.